Everyone, and welcome to week 7 in environmental science. The thing I want to be really clear about is that the first exam in environmental science is part of the week 7 module. And this exam is due on Wednesday, April 10th at 11:59 p.m. The rest of the assignments in this module are due as usual on Saturday, which is April 13th at 11:59 p.m. So I really want to emphasize that the exam is due on Wednesday. I also want to mention that this exam, unlike your weekly quizzes, is going to be proctored with Honor Lock. So this exam is meant to be taken without the assistance of any digital devices, without the assistance of your book or any notes. And HonorLock is a proctoring system that is going to be monitoring you as you take the exam to ensure that you aren't using those support resources. So I want to remind everyone that in the previous week's module, the week 6 module, you had some information to help you get ready for the exam. This readiness check was due at the end of week 6. There's also a practice quiz here that has Honor Lock enabled. This is really important. It's crucial that you test your technology and make sure that your computer is compatible with Honor Lock. You do not want to be testing this for the first time on Wednesday night at 11 p.m. You need to make sure well in advance that your computer will run Honor Lock. This requires that you download Google Chrome and the Honor Lock application, and that you use Chrome when you take the quiz in Canvas. You may also, before you take the exam, want to check back into this content question discussion. This is just an optional place for students to post questions. I'm going to be checking that and answering questions that I see. So I think the first thing you should do in week 7 is take the exam. The rest of the week 7 module is pretty typical. We're going to be exploring the content of chapter 9, which is about forests and forest ecology. We'll have a discussion, a class discussion about wildfire. Make sure you get your initial posts up there by Wednesday, responses to peers by the end of the week, so Saturday at 11:59 p.m. This is our lab. So I have collected some data for you in the COS forest, examining the forest ecology on the edge of the forest versus the interior. This is something where you will look at some videos describing our methods, look at the data that was collected, and answer some questions. There's also a Chapter 9 practice quiz and a Chapter 9 graded quiz. So one more time, the exam is proctored with Honor Lock. You need to make sure you're ready to use that proctoring application, and it is due Wednesday, April 10th at 11:59 p.m. The other components of the module, with the exception of your initial discussion posts, are due Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Please let me know if you have any questions.